Creating a simple budget you can actually stick to doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by gathering all your sources of income, whether it's your salary, freelance work, or any side gigs. Jot down exactly how much money comes in each month. Next, list every expense you have. These can be divided into two groups: fixed expenses like rent, utilities, or car payments, and variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, or dining out.
Begin by subtracting your fixed costs from your monthly income. This will help you see what's left for spending and saving. For variable expenses, it's helpful to review your bank statements for the last month or two to see where your money actually goes. Unexpected subscriptions or small purchases can add up quickly, so be thorough.
Now, set realistic spending limits for each category. Be honest with yourself about your habits, but always keep your larger financial goals front and center. If you frequently spend on things like daily coffee shop visits or impulse buys, ask yourself if those expenses truly align with saving for that down payment or building your emergency fund. The key to a budget you can actually stick to is conscious decision-making and prioritizing what truly matters to you, empowering you to reallocate funds towards your bigger dreams, rather than relying on a rigid formula that ignores your aspirations.
Don't forget to pay yourself first. Set aside a small amount for savings, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Over time, these small savings can add up.
Finally, track your spending regularly. Use a simple spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even pen and paper, whatever feels most manageable. Each week, review your progress. If you overspend in one area, adjust next month's budget rather than giving up entirely.
Remember, your budget isn't about restricting yourself, but about gaining control and making your money work for your goals. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to a budget you can actually stick to.